Hey, what's up guys, Zephyrus here, and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to view your graphics card. So basically, if you're wondering what graphics card your PC is running, so pretty much a graphics card is basically its GPU, and another name for it is display adapter. So this tutorial will teach you how to assess it and take a look if you need to upgrade any drivers or anything like that. And yeah, so I hope this video is helpful. So pretty much I'm gonna be showing you guys two methods. You can do whatever method you want, but yeah, there are tons of other methods, but these two I find the most optimal for you guys. So the first method is my favorite method. So pretty much you go to search bar, type in DX, so spell out DXDIAG, and run the command. And by the way, this will also work on Windows 7. If your operating system is different, it should be absolutely fine. So if you click on that for the first time, it will prompt you to a window that will ask you to accept or not. Be sure to accept and allow it if it asks you to do so, because I've done that before, so that's why this time, I'm able to bypass it. So pretty much right over here, you see the system settings. This is where it shows you, the processor, stats, the BIOS, the system manufacturer. But basically, you just want to go to the display tab, and there we go. You see that my graphics card is shown right here. It's the Intel UHD graphics 620, and yours is probably gonna be NVIDIA something, or like AMD, or even something else. But depending on your laptop, if yours is gaming, it's probably gonna say NVIDIA. That's when you know it's the graphics card. But yeah, this is the first, and in my opinion, probably the easiest method of viewing your graphics card or display adapter, whatever you guys want to call it. Second way of doing it is typing in this device manager. So what this allows you to do is pretty much show every part of pretty much the hardware of your PC or laptop. It's actually really helpful. It sorts out in categories. As you guys can see, it shows the processor even. So if you go down, you can see it shows the number of processors you have. Mine, I believe, is octa-core, because that was 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. And yeah, so pretty much what you want to do is go down to display adapters, and there we go. And if you guys are wondering how to upgrade your driver easily, like without reading the web, basically just right click on it and then click on update driver. I'm not going to do that because I already know that my driver is the most up to date. As well as you guys can even read the properties of it. You guys can, check out the driver version of it, as well as you guys can even uninstall the device, which I do not recommend because it's probably going to screw up the display of your laptop or PC. But anyway guys, that's pretty much how you check out what kind of graphics card or display adapter your laptop or PC is running on. Basically what it has. But anyway guys, that's about it for this tutorial. I hope this video was very informative, and please give me some suggestion for my future tutorial videos. I know that this video I sort of rambled a bit too long, but yeah, give me some opinions. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. My name is Zephyrus, and I'll see you guys next time.